Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi. Welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths, and in today videos we are going to solve a 9th class Maths NCERT book chapter number 12 Heron's formula. So today we are doing the basic introduction. Basic introduction means why the need of the Heron's formula. Okay, we know the how we can calculate the area of a right angle triangle with the help of area formula of triangles. So suppose if we have a right angle triangle, its height is given to us and base is given to us, and one angle of it is 90 degree. So we can find out the area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So we can use this formula when the height is given and base is given, and this formula we can apply only when the triangle is right angle triangle. But what happen if the triangle is not a right angle triangle? So if suppose we have a scalene triangle or a obtuse angle or acute angle triangle, so how can we calculate the area of those triangle in which one angle is not 90 degree? Okay, so for this we can use the Heron's formula, okay, to find out the area of triangle when its three sides are given. When three sides are given, we can calculate the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. So suppose we have a triangle ABC. We have a triangle A, B and C, and its three sides are like this. Okay, so we know how we can calculate the perimeter of this triangle. So perimeter of triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle we know A plus B plus C, sum of all sides. So in this way we can calculate the perimeter. Hence now we have to find out its semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter will be S P upon 2, that means A plus B plus C upon 2. This semi-perimeter we required when we are applying the Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle. That's why first I found the perimeter, then I am calculating the semi-perimeter. Now we will learn by applying Heron's formula how we can calculate the area of a triangle. Area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. So now this S is the semi-perimeter. Okay, the semi-perimeter I am representing with the small s. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That means S semi-perimeter into S minus A, first side of the triangle, S minus B, second side of the triangle, and S minus C, third side of the triangle, and root over it. This complete will come in under root. So root over it as S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula, Heron's formula. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the area of a triangle whose three sides are given to us. Now we will learn how to use this formula to calculate the area of triangle with some examples.